Hey food enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a topic that's not just about what's on your plate, but how you approach it. We're talking about how to transform the way you eat and in turn how you feel. Without further ado, these are 7 tips about healthy eating habits. Tip 1, the art of balance. Picture your plate as a masterpiece waiting to happen. It's all about balance, colors, textures, and nutrients. Incorporate a rainbow of fruits and veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. This way, every meal becomes a nutrient-rich symphony. Tip 2, hydration station. Don't let your water bottle gather dust. Hydration is the unsung hero of a healthy diet. Water aids digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and helps maintain energy levels. Spice things up by infusing water with your favorite fruits for a tasty twist. Tip 3, mindful munching. In the chaos of our daily lives, we often eat on autopilot. Slow down and savor each bite. Mindful eating not only enhances your dining experience, but also helps prevent overeating. It's a simple practice that can make a world of difference. Tip 4, power up with superfoods. Ever heard of nature's superheroes? They go by the name of superfoods. Think berries, nuts, leafy greens, and of course the versatile avocado. These power-packed foods bring a nutritional punch to your meals. They're like the Avengers of your diet, defending your health on all fronts. Tip 5, plan to succeed. Fail to plan to fail. Take a moment each week to plan your meals. Create a shopping list and prep ingredients. Having healthy options readily available takes the guesswork out of your daily food choices. Tip 6, listen to your body. Your body has its own language, listen to it. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're satisfied. It sounds simple, but in a world of distractions, it's easy to ignore these signals. Tuning in can help you maintain a healthy weight and a harmonious relationship with food. Tip 7, indulge in moderation. Healthy eating doesn't mean bidding farewell to your favorite treats. It's all about balance. Treat yourself occasionally, savor the moment, and move on. The key is moderation, because life's too short to skip dessert. There you have it, 7 tips that go beyond calorie counting and diet fads. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep it delicious and nutritious.